Today, I'm going to show you how to make a smash burger in the style I learned from my friend, the infamous Willie B. Honestly, there's nothing too tricky about making them, but I think these are better than any burger you get in a restaurant, so I wanted to share. You'll need 80-20 beef, garlic, a white onion, your choice of cheese, a bun, and a frying pan, preferably a cast iron frying pan. First, prep your garlic. For each burger, which will have 2 patties, use about 1 medium to large garlic clove. Press or mince the garlic and set it aside. Second, prep your onion. I use roughly 1/4 of a large white onion per burger, but the amount of onion used is up to you and your preferences. Slice the onion pretty finely. Shoot for about 1/8 of an inch thick. Next, prep your burger. Take a sheet of parchment paper about 6 inches by 6 inches and set it on your scale. Using your hand, form 2 very loosely packed balls weighing 2.5 to 3 ounces each. For the size of the pan I use, a 10-inch cast iron skillet, I make each about 2.5 ounces. Now you're ready to cook. Preheat your skillet on medium-high heat and let it get nice and hot. Before cooking your burger, toast your buns in the pan. Once the buns are toasted, place 2 pinches of garlic on the pan at the center of where your burgers will be. My burgers will end up spanning the entire diameter of the pan, so I place 1 pinch of garlic about 3 inches off the top edge of the pan and the second about 3 inches off the bottom edge. After placing the garlic, place your onion. Again, the amount is up to you. Next, you're going to press the burger onto the pan on top of the garlic and onion. Using a second 6-inch by 6-inch piece of parchment paper, grab one of the balls of beef and deliberately place it on top of the onions and press it down using your spatula. Do not be shy with this. Press it until the burger is thin, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Repeat with the second ball of beef. Once the burgers are cooking, season them with salt and pepper. Allow the burgers to cook until you begin to see the beef getting cooked through on the top side of each patty. Using your spatula to flip the burgers, press firmly under the burger, lifting as much of the crust that's developed underneath off the pan. That's what makes smash burgers so tasty. From here, throw on your choice of cheese and then place each bun half on top of the patty to allow them to warm up as the cheese melts. Once the cheese is nice and melty, remove from the skillet and serve. The burgers are pretty rich and fatty, so I recommend serving it with a burger sauce or pickle slices on top to achieve some contrasting flavors.